So on today's episode, we're going to put this in the Valiant. So we're going to put the 318 in the Valiant temporarily, just to get it out of the way because I keep tripping over it. This motor come out of a Dodge truck back in the day that was fully rebuilt. We've had a quick look through it. Everything's brand new. I mean, it's still even got the hatch marks in the bore, brand new pistons, bearings, everything. So we're just going to put a new sump gasket on it, get it all sealed up. We have some aftermarket engine mounts to go on it, to go from the slant 6 cross member to the small block motor. So we'll get those on it. As I said, we really want to just get it out of the way, just to make it look a bit pretty. I painted it the same colour as the body colour. I will be putting new aftermarket tapper covers on it and blinging it up a little bit. We'll go ahead and get it all buttoned up and get in. A bit of silicone in the corners. Trying to stop any possibility of a leak. We've already got silicone in these corners. Some research, and the engine mounts had to go behind these mounts on the engine, so we had them on the opposite side, but they wouldn't clear. So we need some manifold box or something like that. Yeah. The valve's got all the nuts and bolts anyway, so I don't know what's what. These are all the other valves, are they? into a problem. We can't get the mounts on. We called the company who made them because we stuffed up, so we got the information from them. So they're correct now, but this mount on the K-frame is modified with a VE Valiant mount instead of an Ap6 one. So we need a different K-frame now. Or different mount or different K-frame. Well, unfortunately we couldn't get in today. We hadn't realised that the K-frame from the Valiant, from the Ap6 had been modified to put a Hemi 6 in it. So we tried, took us a while, we had to call a few people because again we're not really familiar with Valiants. So we've got to either cut that mount off and put the slant 6 mount on it, or get another cross member. But we'll get there, we'll find one and we'll get back to you.